The surface of the earth is made up of land masses and water bodies. Large water bodies are called oceans. Large land masses are called continents. The four major oceans on the earth are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The seven continents on the earth are Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Europe, North America, and South America. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and Asia is the largest continent. The shape of the earth. Today we know that its shape is like a sphere. The earth is very big in size and it's difficult for us to study it as a whole. To study Earth, we use two tools. They are globes and maps. The globe. Globe is a small model of Earth. It shows various continents, countries, oceans, seas, and cities on the Earth. The land and the water bodies on a globe are shown in different colors. The countries and oceans are shown in different colors so that they are easily located. We can see which country is smaller and which one is bigger. We can also see which country are our neighboring countries and which are on the opposite side of the earth. Different zones of earth. Two ends of a globe are called poles. Line joining South Pole and North Pole is called axis of the earth. Equator is a line in the middle of two poles. So here two ends of a globe are called poles. The one at the top is the North Pole and the bottom is the South Pole. The line joining these two endpoints is known as the axis of the earth. It is an imaginary line. We see a line exactly in the middle of the two poles. This line is called the equator. Latitude. The equator and the lines which run parallel to it are called the parallels of latitude. The equator divides the earth into two equal halves. These are northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The equator represents the 0-degree latitude. They become shorter as they move from equator towards the poles. All the parallels are numbered from the equator. The parallels in the northern hemisphere are labeled as N and are called north latitude. The parallels in the southern hemisphere are labeled as S and are called south latitude. Some parallel of latitudes have specific names. Tropic of Cancer lies at a distance of 23.5 degrees north from the equator. Second one, Tropic of Capricorn lies at a distance of 23.5 degrees south from the equator. Arctic Circle lies at 66.5 degrees north from the equator. Antarctic Circle lies at 66.5 degrees south from the equator. Longitudes. The semicircular lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole are called the lines of longitude or meridians. Unlike parallels of latitudes, all longitudes or meridians are of equal length. They are not parallel to each other, they meet at the poles. Prime meridian is marked as 0 degree. Prime meridian. The meridians are also measured in degrees. The meridian that passed through Greenwich was marked as 0 degree and named the prime meridian. The other meridians east and west of the prime meridian are numbered from 0 degree to 180 degree. The meridians to the east of the prime meridian are marked E and to the west are marked W. The hemisphere to the east of 0 degree is called the eastern hemisphere. Grid of latitudes and longitudes. Grid is a network of latitudes and longitudes drawn on the globe. Grids are useful to locate a place on map or globe. For example, if we know the latitude and the longitude of Mumbai, we can find the location of Mumbai on the map. The latitude of Mumbai is 19 degree N and the longitude is 73 degree east. The location of Mumbai will be at the point where the parallel of 19 degree N and the meridian of 73 degree east intersect each other. Thus the grid helps us locate any place on the globe or on the map. International dateline. The 180th meridian is designated as International Dateline by the International Meridian Conference held in Washington, D.C. in 1884. If the international dateline is crossed from west to east, a day is added. It means that if it is Monday on the American side, it will be Tuesday on the Asiatic side. Similarly, if we cross it from east to west, we drop a day. Therefore, it is necessary to make correction of dates while crossing the international dateline.